Hello everyone, Professor Kato here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how a Socratic seminar is done because next class we are going to do one. Okay, are you ready? First of all, what do you think it is? Think about it. Socratic seminar. Yes, you guessed it. This comes from my dear Socrates. Yes, we are going to have a dialogue. We're going to have a conversation, and this is based on Socratic basic ideas and principles about questions and answers, mathematics. So this is a question-based learning activity, okay? And it is a student-centered activity because you guys are going to be doing all the work, okay? So in a Socratic seminar, we are going to base our activity on a reading. So you have the readings about Bloom's taxonomy and about Webb's depth of knowledge. And so we are going to base our Socratic seminar on those two readings, okay? So you read at home and you come prepared to this activity in class. So in a face-to-face classroom, what we would do would be to have students sitting down in two concentric circles. That's why you see the illustration on the screen. However, here on the online platform, we're still going to have two circles by having an assignation of who is in the inner circle and who is in the outer circle. During the face-to-face class, you are going to realize who is going to be where, okay? So as you can see, let's say we have 6 students in the class. 3 are going to be inside the circle, 3 are going to be outside. So we assign roles to this. I'm sorry, I'm going to move this here. We assign roles to the people who are in the different circles, and the roles are the following. The people in the inner circles are the speakers, and the people in the outer circles are the coaches. So whenever you get into the classroom, you're going to be assigned one of these two roles, okay? So what happens in the Socratic seminar? We're going to have 3 different rounds. In the first round, this round is going to last for 15 minutes timed. Speakers are going to discuss a question on the screen, and coaches will listen and take notes about further arguments or ideas. So I will project a question that I will prepare based on the readings, okay? And I'm just going to lay the question out there for you to discuss. However, first, the speakers are going to discuss. The people who are coaches are not going to be allowed to speak during this first round, okay? Then, okay, so sorry about that. The coaches, in the meantime, they're taking notes of what the speakers say. Why do I say coaches? Because I will assign one per each. So, for example, student 1 will be working with student 4, student 2 will be working with student 5, student 3 will be working with student 6, and so on. So if I am in charge of Andrea, I will pay attention to what she says. I'll take notes about further arguments or ideas that she may forgot to mention, points that she forgot to make, or things that I consider I'm thinking about, and I can probably tell her to discuss later in the second round. Okay, so the second round is 7 minutes. In this round, coaches and speakers are going to go into breakout rooms and negotiate further argumentation. So, for example, student 1 with student 4, they're going to go into a breakout room and they're going to discuss just by themselves. Nobody's going to go there to listen. Just by themselves, they're going to improve their arguments, okay? This is not a debate, it's a conversation, right? So the idea is to just bring all of those ideas on the table and put them there in the class. So then we're ready for the third round. So we come back into the main room. The people who are in the breakout rooms, they come back into the main room, and speakers will present their arguments again during 8 more minutes. It's only the speakers. However, notice that this round is 15 minutes. That means that as of minute 9, coaches can intervene too in the discussion. So let's say the speakers mention stuff, but still somebody didn't mention a point and the coach has that taken in a note. Then after minute 9 is the moment for coaches to just go ahead and start speaking, okay? And so what we do is then we change roles for the next question, right? So the people who acted as coaches will be speakers now for this new question, and the people who acted as coaches are as speakers are going to be the coaches of these speakers in this second round. Okay, so the roles change. right? I forgot that I had that little animation there. And so, well, this is all you need to know for now about Socratic seminars. If you are ready for class, then me too. Okay? I hope this was clear. Watch it again. Maybe you can have some more ideas on how to do the best and make the best out of your Socratic seminary class. See ya. Bye.